Hello guys, from my bicycle shop. Today I'm so happy to tell you how to replace Japanese bicycle in a tube from my shop. This is a great way to help others when your inner tube is damaged somewhere without a repairman. So please join us in watching my video guide. On the other hand, if you don't understand something or you have any question, please write them down on my video. Please watch with pleasure, everyone. To conclude, I would like to thank everyone who took the time to watch my video until the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more new video. Thank you, goodbye, see you next time.